Hello and welcome all to the series Last Week in Microsoft 365. This is the third video in this series, and we have 5 topics to be highlighted this week also, which I liked. We have 5 topics, as I said, and as you can see on the screen, we will discuss it one by one. Please connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like the video. So let's start. So first up is the great news I saw on Twitter and LinkedIn from Jeff Tepper that Microsoft Teams reached 115 million daily active users. It was 75 million in April 2020. It is also clocking 30 billion collaboration minutes in a day, which is a huge number, I would say. Surely COVID has helped this massive surge, but Teams is one of the best things happen to us as end users and also to Microsoft. It has taken the collaboration to the next level. So congrats to Microsoft for this feat and also Jeff Tepper and his team. I feel proud that I am one of the users and also have somehow held in this growth journey. You can also look from the announcement from Jeff and also the article, which actually describes, um, how we have progressed on this. So you can see this here that we have Teams reached 115 million daily active users. This is a new way to work and learn. And of course, in Corona or COVID, this has helped a lot people to be productive and, to help users also. And of course, this is powered of Microsoft 65. And you can see some great words from all the customers, to tell about Teams and Microsoft Tab in general. So yeah, that's a great news. The second topic is from Cameron Dwyer about a Micro 365 bootcamp session about Microsoft Graph. I would say that this session is highly recommended if you want to understand power of Microsoft Graph. It covers the steps to create an app, how authentication works, and how to set it up in great detail. As I said, don't miss this if you want to learn about Microsoft Graph. I saw this in Twitter, and then I just went to his blog as well. And then I saw also the YouTube video he has published, and that was very, very detailed YouTube video. I think you should definitely have a look if you're going to learn about Microsoft Graph. So yeah, thanks to Cameron Dwyer for doing this session and publishing on YouTube. Okay. So the third one is about announcement. That is general availability of Microsoft Forms for personal use. I think this is a great addition, as I've always found Microsoft Forms easy to use and create queues, etc. This can easily replace some of the other tools which are available in the market. So now you can invite your friends and family to use this as well. So you can see the announcement here in detail that we are excited to announce the availability of Microsoft Forms for personal use. And of course, it allows you to create a survey or a quiz. Generally, people, when they play together in a group or, when they meet up nowadays, you try to have a small quiz also, sometimes, and this could be a great addition. Till now we have been using some other tools, and I think Microsoft Form is pretty easy to use, so then you can use it this also, so you can see how it works, and small videos here. So yeah, the fourth one is also an announcement from Beth Pan. She works actually with Microsoft Graph regarding build advanced queries in Microsoft Graph with count, filter, search, and order by. The blog post seems to be from September, but I saw that a few days back. But it explains how easy it is to query using count, filter, etc. So you can see the announcement on the Twitter actually, and also I'll check the blog from here. So you can see that it says that so this had been quite a request like this, from the end users. So in past, if you try to filter or sort users and you use query like this, and then the error shows up, So now you can utilize like this. You can just let's go to the example, and you can see beta users dollar count. How many guest users, down caller count, true, filter user type equal to guest. So now you can see this pretty logical to write these and also get the answer from the Microsoft Graph. This is a great addition, and it explains in detail what you can do. And so don't wait and let's try this out. I will also try it out from my side. So yeah, great, great work. The fifth one and the last one for today is announcement from I saw from Fabian Williams about importing third-party platform messages to Microsoft Teams, which is now available in beta also. What it means is that you can now import third-party messages into Teams if you're migrating to Microsoft Teams from third-party, maybe from Slack or some other apps, So you can see this announcement, and I think it's a great one because if you're migrating from one app to another, you would definitely want to have, your messages also to be carried forward if there has been a lot of, important discussions around that. So I think it's a great addition, especially in the situation when if you're migrating and want to keep the historical information, because in some countries it can be legal to keep the information. If you're not working with emails, you're only working with messages, chat-based apps, for your daily work. So you can see in the blog post also here, in the docsmicro.com, it explains in great detail how you can do it. So how to create a team, with a backdates date timestamp, then create a channel, and then three is this third step is to import messages, and of course then the fourth one is to complete migration mode. So this is how you can, and then the step five is to add team members. So you can try it out. It's still in beta, not supposed to be used in production, but if you're planning to use it, and even in production, it's not recommended. But if you are in a hurry and you want to use this, you can try it out and see if it works or not. So yeah, that's a great addition. So that's it for today's topics, and I hope you find it useful. And as I said before, you please try to um, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like the videos, and follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn, or follow my blog also. So yeah, thank you for today, and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.